Ladies and gentlemen, let's get straight to it. FTMO has suspended operations in the US. Stick around to the end of this video to figure out what they had to say and where we as traders go from here. All right, welcome guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Jordan Joie, aka Jordan the Maestro, and today we're going to talk all about FTMO and their press release on their website, which I'm going to read briefly for you guys so you can get a sense of what's going on. So on the FTMO website, in the facts section, if you go to who can join FTMO, you'll see that there is a USA update for January 2024. And it says, since the establishment of our company, our goal has been to provide top quality services to our clients. Unfortunately, at present, we are unable to do that in the United States due to specific conditions in the market segment there. Therefore, we have decided to suspend the purchase of the FTMO challenge for our new and existing US clients, nationals, just as we put a hold on onboarding new US clients. So that is from the FTMO website, ladies and gentlemen. You could take a look at that right now. But ultimately, as you have seen, FTMO has suspended its operations in the US. Now, this is huge. I know you guys are probably aware of what's going on with my Forex funds, and that situation is still currently going on. But this situation with FTMO does not make things any better. Now, just to be clear, I did check on the CFTC website, and it does not say that FTMO is under any kinds of investigation by the CFTC or any regulatory body at the moment. However, for FTMO to voluntarily just put this note out there, especially knowing how big the US market is for them, how much it would affect their bottom line, there must definitely be a bigger issue that maybe we're just not aware of, but they want to be more on top of first. Now, I can understand how this could be very, very concerning for many traders, being that FTMO is widely regarded as the most reliable and one of the oldest prop firms that has been here. And although their website continues on to say that they will continue to look for ways to be able to serve US clients, we can't necessarily rely on that. All we can rely on is what's right in front of us, and what's right in front of us is the fact that FTMO is no longer serving US clients. For those of us that had FTMO accounts, maybe challenges or funded accounts, I know this is gonna hurt deeply, but ultimately you're gonna have to find the strength to get up and move on from this. The reality is us traders just don't know everything that's really going on behind the scenes. We don't know what prop firm is gonna be targeted next. We don't know what prop firm will take initiative to close down next. But what we do know is that the prop firm industry is not an industry that we can reliably count on being here 10 years from now or even 5 years from now. Hopefully it is around, but we just can't rely on that. So you as a trader with other prop firms still open and available right now, if you do have the skills and have proven that you can pass challenges, then I do recommend that you do go ahead and get a funded challenge as soon as possible, get to a payout, and strongly recommend that you keep the massive majority of that payout and put it in a personal account, because you just don't know when this entire industry may crumble down. Now, if you have been taking challenges and you just haven't been passing them, or you're a new trader, I don't recommend that you just go run and take 100 challenges. That is not going to help you. Ultimately, in order to pass these challenges, you have to have the skill first, and you just can't rush that process. That being said, traders with smaller amounts of capital will have to find ways to raise that capital. Maybe that being you getting another job, maybe that being you doing some overtime at the job that you're in. But either way, whether the prop firm industry was gonna disappear by the end of this year or it's gonna stay around forever, if you don't have the skills, then you should just not be wasting money on challenges. You need to develop the skills first. Ultimately, guys, it will take sacrifices to get yourself the capital that you need, but that's just what has to be done, because to be honest, before this industry ever existed, that is what was done. Just understand that no matter what happens, you will be okay. It will not be the end of the world, and you will continue to find a way to get to your goal. So that being said, from what we're hearing from many of these prop firms, what we're hearing now from FTMO, it is not the best news to hear as a trader. I do recommend that you just be on your guard and start to stack up your personal account, guys. Make sure you're not taking those prop firm withdrawals and you're blowing all of that money. You need to build a strong personal account just in case something happens to this prop firm industry so that you can keep on trading. So what we'll continue to do is follow up on this story as information is released. But again, no matter what comes out, let's continue to be on our guard so that we can keep on pressing forward towards our goals. So I hope you guys gained value in this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys,